In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money between accounts in QuickBooks. Whether you're managing finances for a business or keeping tabs on your personal accounts, understanding how to make transfers efficiently can save you both time and hassle. Let's dive right in and walk you through the process step by step. First, go ahead and open QuickBooks. At the login screen, click on Sign In. This is your gateway to managing your finances. Once you're signed in, select QuickBooks Online from the options provided. This ensures you are working specifically within the online version, which is what we'll be using today. Next, you'll need to enter your credentials. Type in your username and password, and once you're sure everything is correct, click Continue. This will take you directly to your QuickBooks dashboard where you can access all of your accounting and bookkeeping needs. From here, we're going to initiate a transfer. On the sidebar, you'll see a button labelled New. Click on this button to open up a menu of available actions. Among these actions, find and click on Transfer. This option is specifically for moving money between your accounts within QuickBooks. Now that you're in the Transfer section, it's time to input the details of your transaction. Begin by choosing where the funds are coming from. Click on the field that says Transfer Funds From and select the account from which you want to move money. This could be your checking account, a savings account, or any other account that holds funds. Once you've selected the source account, it's time to decide where the money is going. In the field labelled Transfer Funds To, select the destination account. Make sure it's the correct one, as this is where your money will be landing. Now let's move on to the financial specifics. You'll see a field for the transfer amount. Go ahead and input the exact amount of money you wish to transfer. Double check this number to avoid any errors. Next, your transaction needs a date. You'll see an option to add the date, so click there, and either choose today's date or another date for when you want the transfer to take place. Lastly, you can add a memo or description. This is optional but highly recommended for keeping your records clear. It can be something simple like rent or monthly savings transfer. Once you've filled out all these fields, look for the button that says Save and New. By clicking this, you'll not only save your current transaction, but also start a fresh entry if you have another transfer to make. And that's all there is to it. By following these clear steps, you can efficiently manage your transfers in QuickBooks, keeping your accounts organized and accurate. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.